Who is it? Do you know who that is?
Oh, look. Looky there.
Who is it, Cole?
Look.
Hey.
Looky there, little bit baby.
Who is that?
What?
Can't pinch it down.
No.
You touch it?
He needs a monkey.
A monkey?
Yeah, he needs a monkey.
Who's talking about the
But
monkey?
Can you see?
And it's so cute.
Looky there.
What the?
I want to rub it.
But I don't want to rub it.
You don't want to rub it?
Where's its
Is he
foot?
soft, Everett?
I feel some little hairs on him. I don't know.
Everett, your hair looks cool.
I
See if
he
it
made me a
holds your
mohawk. I got them at the birthday.
Stick your finger in there, see if it holds
He
it.
needs to open his eyes.
Does he?
His eyes are open.
Yeah.
He's like, God, what's all this?
I even can touch it.
Huh?
I think it's a monkey for him.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Our back.
Monkey. There's the monkey.
What? There's another one.
Oh,
There's
look at
another
the
one.
little knees. Where's the feet at?
The feet are right there. Wow, the feet are right there.
Pick 'em up.
Can I pick him up?
I want to pick him up. I want to pick him
No,
up.
that's-
It's right at school.
You might can hold them if you sit. You might